Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to permanently change YouTube resolution settings for PC and mobile. So let's begin. So here we are in our browser, and just a quick note that any browser that you use is fine. In my case, I'm using Opera GX, but if you want to use Chrome, then that is also possible. So let's go into YouTube right here, and we're just gonna go and click on any video we want. Let's say this one. And we're just gonna pause it because we're just gonna go into settings right here, and we're gonna see the quality. As you can see, the quality is 480p, which is really low, and we want it to be 1080p, or maybe you want it to always be the lowest possible quality, then you can also do that. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to set it automatically. All videos permanently will be 1080p in the settings by default. And the same steps will be applied if you want to go for other qualities such as 720, 480, and so on to 144. So what we're gonna do to do that is we're gonna go and open another tab, and from here we're gonna go and search enhancer for YouTube. So I search here enhancer for YouTube Opera because Opera is my browser. So if you're using Chrome, then you could go type Chrome right here, Chrome, just like that, and you would have it right here for Google Chrome. So depending on your browser, that is what you wanna search here on Google. So from here, we're gonna go download this YouTube extension, this enhancer for YouTube, and click on add to our browser. Let's wait for it to install. As you can see, enhancer for YouTube has been added to Opera. So what we're gonna do is first let's go and pin this extension first. So from here we're gonna go pin this just like that, and as you can see, we can now have the settings right here. So first let's go and refresh this video.
So when you come,
So as you can see, we all have these options right here. So you can utilize all of this, but what we're gonna do is go here into our options, and it will be prompted right here, just the same as clicking it right here in our extension. And from here you want to go into playback quality, and you want to tick this, automatically select a playback quality. From here you want to choose your desired quality. So in my case, I'll just go for 1080p, but if you want to go higher than this, if your monitor is capable of that, then you can just go select this. Or if you want to go lower so that you can save data, or maybe your internet speed is slow, then you could go for that as well. I'm gonna set this to 1080p, just like that. And for this pop-up player and embedded videos, I'll just go for 360p since it's not the main video that I will be looking at. So with this, we can actually go and close this now. And now what we're gonna do is go here and let's refresh this. But before we refresh, we want to see if the quality is 1080p right here. As you can see, it's 1080p. So if you refresh right here and you want to go into quality, it's automatically 1080p right here. So that is basically how you do it in PC. Now let's go here into our mobile, and from here to do that, then we can just go into our YouTube app, and let's open it, and let's click on any video. And from here, what we're gonna do is go into your settings right here again, and you wanna go into quality, and you can see this right here. You have different options. You have higher, data saver, advanced, and you also have auto. So we don't want any of this because we want to automatically set our resolution into our desired resolution. So in my case, I would choose 1080p. So you can't find it right here. There is no 1080p right here. Higher picture quality is not very specific. So what we can do is go here into to the bottom screen. As you can see, there is a note that says this selection only applies to the current video. For all videos, go to settings, video quality preferences. So for this one, we would need to go to our settings because this would only apply for this video, and in this case we would need to set the quality for each video, which is really troublesome. So what we can do is go tap here in our profile picture right here at the top right of our screen, and from here we want to go into settings, and from here we want to go into video quality preferences right here. So tap on it, and from here we can actually go and select the higher picture quality right here. And video quality on Wi-Fi, on mobile networks, you want to set it to the higher picture quality, and also for this one, higher picture quality. And after that, you want to go back, and when you go and open any videos, just like this one, you want to go into quality again, and as you can see, it's already in higher picture quality. It's 720p, but if your device is capable of 1080p, then it would automatically set it into that, or if you have a fast enough Wi-Fi or mobile data speed. So that's basically it for this video.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.